Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
In this video I'm going to show you how to decrease and or increase clip speed in Camtasia 9. Alright, so I'm in Camtasia 9 right now, and I have already loaded up a clip and I'm going to play it in its original form, and then I'm going to show you how to decrease and or increase clip speed. So this is just a traffic video clip we are going to be playing around with for this video, so I just play it for you. Alright, so that was the video and that's the video we are going to be playing around with. You may have seen it might have been a little bit glitchy because PC is little bit slow, but when you render the video it will come out smooth. Alright, so let's show you how to decrease and or increase clip speed. So first thing you want to do is you obviously want to have a clip preferably with motion, because if you don't have any motion or sound in the video, then it doesn't really do much to speed it up or slow it down. Once you have got your clip, you have it in your media bin here in Camtasia 9, you load it up on the timeline, then you want to click on it, make sure that it's got that yellow board around. That means that you've clicked on it, and you want to head over to visual effects, and then you see this thing with the clocks here called clip speed. You need to click on this and then drag it down to the clip that you want to play with the speed of the video. So you need to drag it down there, and nothing's happened yet, but when you do that it allows you to be able to decrease and or increase clip speed, because if you don't do that to the clip then you won't be able to decrease and or increase clip speed of the video. So once you've done that, you want to head over to the right hand side and you'll see clip speed. Right now the clip speed is at 1.00x, so basically that's the current speed, that's the original speed. So if you change that number up then it's going to increase the speed of the video, and if you make that number go down it's going to decrease the video speed. So I'll just show you a little bit of a test here. So I'll maybe change it up and go 3.00x, so 3.00 times faster, and we'll play it and see what it sounds like. Alright, so you can hear that the audio is definitely much faster and the video might have been glitching out, but we definitely are moving a lot faster in the video, and when I render the video it's going to move a lot faster. So keep in mind, when you speed up a video it's going to change the actual speed of the video and the audio. So you heard that the audio is sounding like a mess now, so the higher you go the faster the video is going to speed up. Now if you decide you don't want to speed up anything and you don't like the changes that you've done, basically just go back to 1.00x and that will take it to its original form. So now let's slow down the video and do little slow motion here, and let's play that. So let's go to 0.50, its original was 1.00, so you can see it extended here, and let's play it and see what it sounds like. Alright, so you can see that it totally slowed it down, and the audio sound a lot lower, and it's slower, and we are definitely moving slower in the video. So we just did a slow motion video there, that you want to be careful when you play around with this, because if you go too much it actually really distorts the audio and the video, so you can't go too crazy with this. And I'll show you what I mean. I was playing around with it, and I did it at 0.25 and it really just messed up the audio. So I'll just play it for you, and can see the quality is just totally shot. so be careful when you're playing around with it because the audio is definitely really shot at 0.50, but video is still usable. So in the next clips here I'm actually going to have both the rendered videos of slow motion and fast motion play for you like the final product, so that you can see it properly, because when I'm recording here it might be little bit glitchy, because of slow PC, so I will play the fast motion and slow motion videos for you to check out. Alright, so that is it for this video. That's how you do a slow motion or a fast motion video in Camtasia 9. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving us a like, a comment, a subscribe. All those would be very much appreciated. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.